These are all these dinosaurs I got from Mattel. Some from Toys R Us, some from Taobao. Okay, so this is the savage strike Pachycephalosaurus. It has ramming head like that. And if you press it to the bottom, it will bumps. Really cool. Really cool action figure. Like other dinosaurs, the arm is rubber. And next is the sound like Tyrannosaurus. This is one of my birthday presents. Really cool action figure. And you can move the tail if you take it. And if you do this, it will have noises. And this, I think that's a savage strike. Velociraptor. This is not blue. I think it's Delta, maybe. Can jump. This is a Velociraptor. Look at its movements. And the mouth opens and closes. The arm smashes. You get. And next it's the Control and Conquer Contours. I think there was another one in Camp Cretaceous that's that the Contours Toro. Yeah. So this dinosaur, if you press this button, it will roar. It rotates. Really cool action figure. And next, the next epic roaring T-Rex. This epic roaring T-Rex, press the button. I forgot to tell you, this epic roaring T-Rex actually from Camp Cretaceous, Jurassic World series that time. I don't know why the Indominus Rex come back, but I know it's on September to record. And the epic roaring T-Rex is from 2020, the newest. And it's rubbery arms, rubber wrist at all, noisiest at all. And you also can scan it. Press the pause button to scan it. And are you done? I'm sure you can scan on the screen. Other dinosaurs you can scan. This. Are you done? Yeah. This you can scan. Are you done? This and this. so you can scan. Are you done? And this, you can scan. Are you done? Yes. Done. Okay. Okay. The only two, I will show you one of them. That's showing and devouring Indominus Rex. I press 2 times, press another time. It goes where? Like that. Wow! It's fast. It has movable feet, movable arms, movable jaws, and it's chomps, and the scan code. Are you done yet? It's so heavy. Okay. The last one I show you guys, the bite and fight Tyrannosaurus Rex. Wow, that is an amazing figure. Wow. Chomp chomp! Chomp chomp! Amazing chomp chomp. And the tail splash. Bam, 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 bam. Nice figure. Even the tiny little arms can move. It also has movable feet, but it's hard to retain. Oh, there you are. That and that. Oof. Okay, so, and the head is movable. Here it's movable. Here it's movable. Like that. Or like that. Then, wow. Bite the egg. Where original chomping Tyrannosaurus Rex. Okay. Okay, so the tail cap and it's chomps. Rare. Tail can move, arm can move, L can move. Okay, today's done, and try to look at the control and contours this packaging like that. Control and contours, even the tiny arm can move. I move it. It also has the Sarcosuchus and the Tarbosaurus, the massive biters, but I didn't buy yet. Then I get. Then some days I will get the super colossal T-Rex. Bye guys. See you later.